as the term winds down. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams is there for us. And Pete, I understand there's some news on a double jeopardy case. What's up?
Right. Well, I think it's common knowledge that there's such a thing as the right against double jeopardy. And by the way, they don't just mow the lawn during live shots at the White House, Hallie. They do it here at the Supreme Court, too. And our timing couldn't be better. But here's the deal. I think everybody knows the double jeopardy rule means you can't be tried twice for the same offense. But there, for at least 150 years, has been an exception to this, which says you can be convicted once in state court and again in federal court for exactly the same offense. That's what happened to a Georgia man here who was charged under a state law, got a year sentence, and then under a federal law for the same offense got a 3-year sentence. He appealed, but the Supreme Court today declined to change that long-standing rule. So you can be charged twice for the same crime, once in state court, once in federal court. The Trump administration and the government had defended this law, saying it was an important tool in the civil rights era, for example. And this case got a lot of attention because of Paul Manafort, on the theory that if the president pardoned him for federal offenses, if he was tried for the same thing at state court, would that have made a difference? But obviously it's a moot point now. And you probably noted that earlier the court did give a partial victory to Oregon bakers who declined to bake a cake for a same-sex commitment ceremony. The Supreme Court today wiped out lower court rulings against that Oregon baker couple and sent the case back with instructions to reconsider in light of its decision 2 years ago in a case involving almost the same set of facts and a Colorado baker. But that case doesn't give much guidance because basically all it says is the Colorado baker got a raw deal from a state commission. Those facts weren't present in the Oregon case. So I don't know what the Oregon courts are going to make of that. The odds are that if the state goes at this again, the bakers will lose again. So I don't know what the Supreme Court gains today. More decisions probably to come later this week. I think we got 4 today, so there's 20 left before the end of next week.
Okay. And I know you'll be there reporting on all of them. Pete Williams, admirably plowing through the weed whacking. Yes, thank you, sir. Appreciate it at the Supreme Court.
Okay.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.